Hey everybody, Tuesday, October 20th. Obviously, Chef here. If you missed the Google Meet today, here's what we went over. I hope you completed last week's work. If not, there will be zeros put in. I don't want to be that guy, but I've given people enough opportunities. If you're running any problems, all you have to do is message me. So please check your grade book and check your grades. We're going to go over deep fryer safety and use today, and then we're going to have a cooking oil and deep fryer quiz going over some of the things we touched on cooking oils yesterday. Let's get started. What should you do before lighting the deep fryer or turning on the gas or anything? What is the first step always for us? The first step is to turn on the hood system. You turn on the hood system, turn on the hood, which is in the laundry room. Now this is the most important part of this lesson right here. If you look at the fryers, the doors open, and if you look at this one, you see this tube here. This tube has to be put on there. I'm trying to, right here. But this red handle, everyone, here's the one to the right. This red handle releases the oil, okay? Even if that tube's not here, oil will come out if you just pull that handle, whether it's on or not. So you have to be very mindful not to pull that lever. It releases the oil. There will be a warning thing on there, and eventually I'm trying to get a safety plug for this right there, but for right now you need to understand that that red handle releases the oil. That's like quadruple the points on your quiz. The red handle releases the oil. Okay, if you look at this, these are our actual fryers, and they look old. They just get a lot of use. This is where the oil goes in here, right? We fill it up in here. I gave you kind of a close-up because I wanted you to see this mechanism right here is the thermostat, which controls the temperature of the oil. And we will go over temperatures for the oil in a second. Now, right here, might be a little hard to see, but this says max, and this says min for maximum and minimum. The oil level has to be in between. It cannot go any higher than this here. It cannot go any higher than this, and it cannot go any lower than this. If it goes too high, the fry baskets will be sitting in the oil even when they're up. If there's not enough oil, then you have not enough to deep fry. Maximum, minimum. Pilot light and thermostat. This is going to be a little bit more difficult to explain, but I'm going to try. Also, in the next slide, I'm posting a video showing how to light a pilot light and what it looks like. This is where you adjust the temperature, okay? But first, we need to press down this button, and then you take the lighter like we lit the burners with, and you light right here, and it will make a small blue flame. This is a test question. I think it'll say, and this mechanism right here is called a thermocouple, which kind of regulates when the gas can come through. What you'll need to know is the pilot light is the small flame in the fryer. Pilot light, small flame. Okay, small blue flame. I think it just says small flame. And once again, this will make more sense when you watch the video that I'll connect to this other one. Once your pilot light is lit, then you can start turning this. You can turn this on, and you need to turn it to the correct temperature. You will need to know the correct temperature. I will get rid of all this here. The correct temperature for frying, we went over this yesterday and today, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me see if I missed anything else. Well, here, I'll go to the next slide, and then we'll go over lighting the pilot. There'll be a video for that. I also want to remind you that the oil we use for our deep fryer is canola oil. That is the fryer we use at Southern Garrett High School Kitchen. We do not use peanut due to allergies. This is what you need to know. Basket replacement, placement. If you look here, for those of you who don't know, these baskets have hooks right here, and once you're frying something you need a little bit more of the grease to drain off, you can just put them right in here and they'll rest right in here. That is why you don't want to put too much oil, or these baskets will actually be resting in the oil, and you don't want that. That's why that minimum and maximum is so important, to get those oil levels right. I think that's about it. Let me see. I don't think there's another slide. So we went over the type of oil, canola. Temperature is 350. The red lever drains the oil, very dangerous. The small flame is a pilot light. And the first step is to turn on the hood before you turn on the gas, or try to light everything. Message me with any concerns. There's another video that I will post on how to light the pilot, so you can see what a pilot light looks like. Have a nice day, and I will talk to you on Thursday. Oh, one more thing I almost forgot. I don't think this is on your test, but no combustible liquids, combustibles like this PAM near the fryer, because if it fell in it could explode. And also no drinks, pardon the handwriting, near the fryer, because if water gets in there, it can make it bubble up and cause a mess. All right, great. Have a nice day, guys. I'll talk to you soon.